Okay friends, so today I'm going to show you how to make a one-man bleeder kit so that you can bleed your bike's disc brakes. So the cheapest one that I found on Amazon was for around 2,129, but it's the delivery time which is for 1 to 3 weeks, which was pretty large. So I decided to make one for myself, and believe me, it's very cheap. So this is what I made, and as you can see, it's a very simple setup. It's just a bottle and a pipe. The bottle you can buy any, it cost me 50 rupees. The pipe was like 20 rupees, so that is total of 70. So let's get down as to how we can build it. This one I've already built. So first you need to choose a bottle. So choose something which has a broad base so that it can at least stand upright, and don't choose too broad because remember that you need to fill this up with disc brake fluid till about this level so that the pipe is submerged, so you wouldn't want to waste much fluid inside it. So how you need to build it is, first take off this cap, and once you take off this cap, at least when the bottle will be new, there will be no hole in it. So you need a drill machine or a drill kit to actually do it. I have one over here. So how you need to choose the drill bit is, take the other one end of the pipe and match it with the diameter. So as you can see, this drill bit actually matches it exactly. So just fit it in your drill machine and drill it through. Do not drill it with the cap attached to the bottle, because what would happen is the plastic fillings would go down in there, and you would have to have the issue of cleaning the bottle and drying it before you can fill it with brake fluid. And another thing that you need to do is, if you examine it up close, there is another small hole that I've drilled over here. This is for the air, and you can use the smallest drill bit like this one to actually do that. Once that's done, your one-man bleeder kit is ready. All you need to do it is fill this up with brake fluid till about this level. If you have old fluid, that's also good enough, shouldn't be a problem. And this other end, what you need to do is, you need to put this to your bleeder nipple, open the valve, and then continue squeezing your disc brake lever. You'd see fluid flowing down this way, but since the other way is dipped in liquid, it would not be sucking in any air. So that's about it. That's the way how you make a one-man bleeder kit in 70 rupees, and it hardly takes you 15 to 20 minutes. Thanks for taking a look. Have a great day. Goodbye.